So what's going on YouTube? I hope everyone are doing good. Okay, let's jump into the video. Okay, today I'm teaching about how do you use gunzip. So in the last video I showed how do you use what gzip. So let's gzip number. Okay, now what I do, I use this number.txt.gzip to play with this. Okay, what is this gzip? Gzip is basically used to extract gz files or gzip commands. It is like opposite to gzip command where gzip will what compress the file and gunzip will decompress the file. Okay, let's play with that. So gzip, if you use gzip and the particular number, if you, it will like extract that gz file. Let's say okay, just I'll decompress it again. Okay, let's say you need to keep the original file. You don't need to unzip the original file, so you need to use -k. That will not touch the original file, and the original file will not be touched, and it will create it will decompress and create the other file. Okay, the next thing you can use is that what gunzip, and you can force the decompression. You can also do like that. You can just force it, so it is replaced. Okay, don't think that this was deleted. It was replaced. I mean, it was overwritten. The number.txt was already there, but now it is replaced, or it is overwritten. Okay, now you can also use gzip -k, and you can also use -v that will show the what action it is doing. You can use k itself number, sorry, gunzip and number, sorry. So it will actually show that I am doing this operation. The v will show that I am doing this operation, but after extracting the number.txt file will be created, but it is already found. What do you do? So if you wish to overwrite it, yes. If you need to press, yeah, you can just press yes. Then it will show that 15.4% was the ratio for compression. Then if I do ls, it will show that number.txt was rewritten. Okay, the next thing you can use to text the integrity, gunzip -t and number.txt. You can check the integrity, but it's not showing the integrity. Okay, let's say that you are compressing something. Okay, you are compressing something, but you what you need to make a separate file. You don't need to make a same file. Let's say the number.txt already been compressed, but you need to make other file, other number.txt. If you do like this, so it will create other file which names will be like other number.txt. Okay, so instead of that, like using that also you can do it, but let's go for the next argument. Okay, let's say you need to do it in a quiet mode. If you need to do it in a quiet mode, you need to use q. That will do in a quiet mode. Like it is used to what show the option when decompressing multiple files into a script to avoid what cluster. So that is where we use -q argument. You can also use a suffix, as I showed you, gunzip and k, and you can use yes, uff ix, sorry, ix is equal to dot ttx, something like that, and we need to specify the zip file. If you press ls, then you can see the text.txt is been replaced with ttx. It should be replaced. What we do, we override this number let's say number. Okay, if I press enter, already exists. If I do ls, So it should print. Suffix is nothing but, so if you are extracting something, then if that file, let's delete. What we do, let's delete. Okay, let's remove the number .txt. Now what we do, now we use that suffix gunzip. Then I need to keep the original file. Sufx suffix is equal to .ttx. Okay, then the file that will be number.txt. If I do ls, you can see that number.txt has been created, but the suffix is added .ttx. It should work. Okay, so that is how we use suffix. But like if you see the gzip video, you will come to know how do you use suffix. I have used there, so I've shown you how do you use suffix. So if you don't know how to learn about, you can do help. That will also show many arguments. So here, see, you can use suffix if you have found the compressed file, so that it will change as per the extension which you specified. You can see the versions also. So that you can see the version that is 1.10, and the person who wrote, Paul Higgart, the person who wrote this gunzip program. Okay, so that's all guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.